What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to 90-Second Finance, and today we are talking Class 1, Day 1 stock market. What is the stock market? Find out what the hell that is coming up. So the stock market, the all-powerful marketplace that makes dreams come true, and on the other side can make a trader jump off of the roof on his lunch break. What is it? What does it do? Why do we do it? We're going to talk about that today from the root basics. The New York Stock Exchange itself, the one you see on the news and on your apps every single day, in and of itself moves anywhere between $140 and $300 billion each and every day. Wait, what? The stock market as a whole is a digital battlefield where billions of people are making trades, either buying or selling, every business day of the week, excluding some holidays, all across the world. But why? So as you're choosing to invest and buy shares or buy stock in a company, you are saying that right now I'm going to vote with my dollars that this company, Company A, is going to be worth at some point in the future more than what I bought it for. And as you are choosing to buy Company A for $5 a share, you're banking on person B coming along wanting to buy it for $6 or holding for years down the line when you can sell it at a much greater return. This is typical investing. Every time you sell, you have a buyer. Every time you're buying, someone is choosing to get out and sell it to you. Weird, right? How? How can you get into the stock market? It's so easy. And you were probably already investing in the stock market and don't even realize it. If you have a 401k through work, an IRA you're funding yourself, if you have bonds that were passed to you from an aunt or an uncle or your parents or something along those lines, you were investing in the stock market and didn't even realize it. If you want to get started, we will get into this a lot in the next couple of videos. All you need is a smartphone and a little bit of money. $100 is enough to get you started on a small level. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. The stock market. It's the marketplace where stocks are bought and sold. And a stock is just a quantity, one or more, of shares in that company. And all you need to get started buying or selling is get your smartphone, download an app. I'm going to link one down in the description box, but we're going to get into that a lot in the coming videos. I'm going to give you a whole guide. We're going to talk about investing versus trading, day trading, penny stocks, marijuana stocks, everything you guys are asking for, we're going to cover. But we're going to start right here by talking about what is the stock market. But we have a lot more on this coming up, so please stay tuned for that. Thanks for the watch. Thanks for supporting 90-Second Finance. Any questions or topics you'd like to see covered, comment below, message me on Facebook. Have yourself a great night. Thanks for watching.